done a lot of cleaning up and gone around some of the edges and cleaned up some of the parts where the green was still showing and scrape that off. Also make sure to check the back. The back does need to be cleaned. So if you got any green on the part of the edge, you can paint the back with green underglaze. But if you didn't mean to, just give it a good cleaning and make sure that the back is nice and smooth and clean as well. So we're going to fire this when it dries, and then we'll put a clear glaze over it.